Hey everyone, this is Freddie. Welcome to Heybike Station. Today, we are unboxing the Galaxy M. Let's get started. Cut the straps, then remove the white plastic on both sides of the box. Undo the latches on the boxes, then pull away the top of the box. Here's the accessory box with tools, the charger, and pedals. Remove the protective cardboard around the bike, then lift the box. In the box is the front wheel. Remove the protective wrapping. Here's everything that comes with the Galaxy M. Use the Allen wrench to loosen the head stem cap to install the handlebars. Ensure the handlebars are as centered as possible. Completely tighten the screws into place. Remove the 4 screws from the cap that will secure the handlebars. Place the handlebars into position. Ensure the handlebars are as centered as possible. Then completely tighten the screws into place. Unscrew the axle connecting the front wheel axle to the front fork. Remove the front axle and protective cardboard. Remove the protective plastic from between the front brake calipers. Lift the Galaxy M and slide the front fork into place. Ensure the disc brakes are properly placed between the brake calipers. Return the front axle rod, tighten to secure into place. To install the pedals, properly match the appropriate pedal to the appropriate side. Each pedal will have stickers with the letters L or R on them. The left pedal should be installed counterclockwise. The right pedal should be installed clockwise. Use an open-ended wrench to fully secure the pedal. To remove the battery, use the keys near the handlebar. Remove the battery cover by pulling down on the latch, then pull out the cover. Place a key in the lock to unlock the battery from its position. Pull down on the latch on the battery to fully remove the battery from its holding. Pressing the power button will display battery status. To return the battery, press it into place and you'll hear the clicking sound of it locking into place. Return the battery cover, then lift the latch up to fully secure the cover into place. Turn on the Galaxy M by pressing the red power button and adjust pedal assist with the plus and minus buttons. Use the left or right triangle to turn on turn signals. Press the light button to turn on the headlight. To charge the Galaxy M, you can plug the charge cord directly into the frame via the port on the side of the bike. To adjust the seat height, unlatch the seat latch, then adjust accordingly. Make sure the seat is aligned with the bike frame. Thanks for watching.